And today we're going to be checking out this digital drum kit. That's right, this is a nice little drum kit slash practice pad, so you can actually learn how to play the drums without having a big, huge set taking up half the room. Let's go ahead, and I want to show you this very short clip of my kids playing with it, just so you can see how much fun they're having, and then we're going to point the camera down and take a closer look at everything you get, so you can fully understand what all comes in this kit. Alright, so here's the full kit itself. Now you can obviously see the drum kit right here. This is your little bass tube with your actual controller for the kit. It does come with pedals, cymbal and bass pedal. You're going to get 2 drumsticks. You're going to get a USB to USB micro, and you're going to get a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter jack, and you're going to get a storage bag for everything. And you can actually roll this up like so when you put it in the bag to store it. Now the way that you hook this up real quick is you plug your pedals into your pedal block just like that. This part is actually rechargeable. That's what the USB-C cord is for, is so you can recharge your device right here. You can also connect headphones, and you have an MP3 line in, and this is your off and on switch. And then if you look on the front right here, you have kit. You can swap actual drum kits to have different sounding drums. You actually have the little ticker timer where it goes to help you keep time. I forgot what they call it, but that's what that's for. This is how you play the MP3 player, and you can also stop. So like if you hit demo and you want to stop, you hit this. If you start the clicker and you want to stop that, you hit stop as well. Then you have a special button. Then you have a volume up and a volume down. We are going to turn this on just so we can kind of hear it and show you how it works. Go ahead and turn the volume down, because it doesn't need that to be quite so loud. And we're going to go ahead and go through some of the first kit. And then you have your cymbal. These are your foot pedals, and this cord is actually long enough to go to the ground. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the ground. See? Easy. Just play the drums. Now here's one of the demo modes so you can get a real idea of what this can do. Another demo. Another demo. But you get the idea, and here's your little and that's to help you keep your beat. And then like I said, you can switch drum kits. There you go. That's pretty much all the different kits right there. But as you can see, it's a very nice little set. It's made out of this. Oops, let me go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to keep setting it off. But it's made out of a nice durable rubber. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different drums and pedals and cymbals. The little speaker sounds nice. It does a good job. It's going to be great for that person learning to get into music. And it's, if you already know how to play and you just need something that you can travel with or just hook up really fast to get a little practice in, this is going to work quite well for that. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.